welcome back to A Sip of Substance. My name is Alyssa and today I'm going to be doing another tell-all review. I am going to be spilling the tea on Steve Madden's platforms, sandal heels, whatever you consider them. I did start to notice that their ads were popping up on my Instagram, and kudos to their marketing team because they did get me. I did go to their website and I did see a few styles that I did like. However, their website was pretty backed up. A lot of the styles were either pre-orders or back orders. I decided to go through Urban Outfitters and I will definitely be telling you guys about that. This video is not sponsored. We're just gonna go ahead and dive right in. There was a style in particular that I did see on the website that looked super comfortable, and that was the Pepe30s. First of all, I have a very common foot size, so I'm a size 6. They were all, like I said, backed up or pre-orders. I really wanted the colorway I chose, which is the natural leather colorway. I just went to the web and I was like, where else can I find this shoe? Urban Outfitters had them listed on their website. And the thing is, Steve Madden has them listed on their website at a retail price of $100. Now, Urban Outfitters, they had them for that same price. However, they were 30% off, so I did get them for $70. Because you know, your girl loves a good bargain. I did look down on reviews on the Urban Outfitter website. I saw one review in particular where they were saying just size up half a size. And then for that same style, I would go to Steve Madden website and the reviews were basically saying that the shoe runs big. You should like either true to size, like stick to your size, or size half a size down. I went with my gut and I did a 6.5 when I'm normally a 6. I did try to go to YouTube to find some reviews and I didn't find anything, which really takes me by surprise because like I said, they are booming right now. So I am here to give y'all the review that y'all are looking for and tell y'all that, again, I'm a size 6. I sized up half a size and they fit perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these, try them on for you guys. I feel like the packaging was kind of off, like the shoes were just thrown in here. But still pretty cute. This is the shoe. It's giving, I'm finally the Bratz doll that I've always wanted to be. It is a 3.5-inch heel with a 1-inch platform. It has synthetic lining and sole, and again, this is the natural leather way. Now, I did see some comments mention about these shoes that they were uncomfortable, but for me, it's giving like, I don't mind if you park far because I will walk. They're just the cutest like summertime heels. The thing about me is if you guys haven't already seen my Telfar bag review, I have like 6 of the same bag in every color, so don't be surprised, but I did buy me another pair. I did want a black shoe, so surprise, surprise, 2 reviews in 1. I'm gonna show you guys the black style. All right, you guys, I had to do a little outfit change so y'all could really feel the vibe. I did decide to get the Black Cagey Leather shoe. Now, these are very similar to the Trixie style that everybody has probably seen on Instagram. Don't get me wrong, I did want the Trixie, but they were out of my size. They were out of my size and they were back ordered or pre-ordered. The only difference is this style, the Black Cagey style, is rounded and the Trixie's more square at the toe. But it's basically the same shoe if you ask me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox these for you. Like I said, I decided to get a black pair because I was like, if I have a beige pair, I'm gonna need a black pair, and then 2 weeks from now, I'm gonna need summer colors. And so yeah, Steve Madden, let's work something out. Like I said, I'm finally living that Barbie doll dream life that I always wanted to live as a little girl. Like finally, like I got me some brat heels in real life. I believe the Trixie style is just like solid. This one has like an extra platform on it. These in particular, they have the 5.25-inch heel with the 2.25 platforms. I did get a size 7. because like I said, Steve Madden runs small. On the Urban Outfitters website, they only had like a 7 left. They were sold out on, you know, my typical size. They fit perfectly. So honestly, Steve Madden shoes, I would never size down. I would stick with sizing up, just based off of the 2 different styles that I'm trying on for you guys. All right, you guys, these are it. Like, I finally have the legs and the height that I always wanted. These are super comfortable. Now, a lot of complaints are that they're super heavy, but y'all, expect that. They're not that heavy if you ask me, but listen, baby, I will put up with some weight for a good time. People do say they're slightly uncomfortable. Like, what are y'all trying to do? Like, I'm not gonna go to the zoo in these shoes. You know, these are the type of shoes where it's like, where are we going for brunch? All right, you guys, well, there you have it. That is all the tea I have for y'all. If y'all have any questions about one of the styles, either one, please feel free to drop a comment. Again, y'all know my social media. Slide in those DMs. I am more than willing to give my 2 cents. I will be doing more tell-alls in the future. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn those notifications on, all of that. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks, Steve Madden.